Caopixx Women Maxi Dress Striped Long Dresses Casual by Caopixx Dress is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Elastic closure. Boat neck sleeveless vintage tee dress with belt. Women's sleeveless scoop neck summer beach midi aligned tank dress. Women's short sleeve round neck summer casual flared midi dress. Women's button up split floral print flowy party maxi dress. Women's summer cold shoulder tunic top swing loose dress with pockets casual swing tee. Shirt dresses. Women bohemian necktie vintage printed ethnic style summer shift dress party wedding plus size long dresses for women party wedding long sleeve long dresses for women party wedding burgundy long dresses for women party wedding blue long dresses for women party wedding prime long dresses for women party wedding 2018 long dresses for women party wedding with sleeves long dresses for women party wedding mint long dresses for women party wedding coral long dresses for women. Floral collared shirt. Women's collared tops for women's black collared shirt. Women's white collared blouse. Black collared dress shirt. Women's black shirt. White collar. Women's black blouse with white collar. Blue shirt. White collar. Women's tops with collars. Red blouse. Red floral blouse. Red and white blouse. Red white and blue blouse. Red polka dot blouse. Women's red and white floral blouse. Red white blue blouse. Short maxi beach dresses for women. Short sleeve beach dress cover up. Beach dress cover up. Beach dress cover up for women. Beach dress cover up plus size beach dress cover ups. Beach dress cover up long beach dress cover up for girls. Beach dress cover up ramp beach dresses for girls. Beach dresses for girls. Beach dresses for girls 10-12 beach dresses for girls 7-8 beach dresses for girls 2T beach dresses for girls 7-16 beach dresses for girls blue beach dresses. Women's girls skirt floral with sleeves maroon long sleeve off the shoulder pink and white maxi cocktail navy blue tight sundresses black burgundy for juniors lace red halter casual light teal yellow velvet shift orange short lady formal shirt green summer striped printed coral blush cream align flowers mint party gray gown lady in purple color tan fancy sweater female peach features. 1. It is made of high quality materials, durable and not for your daily wearing. 2. Stylish and fashion design make you more attractive. 3. This printed dress is gorgeous. Loving the lace and how comfy it is? Don't miss out on this must-have dress. 4. Great for party, daily, casual, I am sure you will like it. Product information. Season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Gender, women. Material, polyester. Sleeve length, long sleeve sleeveless. Style, casual. How to wash, hand wash cold, hang or line dry. What you get. 1 PC women dress. Left parenthesis. Woman's summer spaghetti strap floral print bohemian maxi beach dress sexy beach dress boho beach dress for women knee-length beach dress long sleeve women beach dress women shirt dress long sleeve women shirt dress short sleeve women tunic dress 2018 plus size lace dresses for women black t-shirt dress for women shirt dress with belt plus size dress for women long party dresses for women long sleeve party dresses for women long sleeve t-shirt dress women sweater dresses for women plus size elegant prom dresses for women beach dresses casual beach dress for women strap party dress women's strap dresses women's halter dresses summer long dress comfy dress for women women's slim dress cheap women's dresses tunic mini dress for women maxi dresses formal dresses prom dresses evening dresses summer dresses evening gowns white dress dresses online long dresses dress design gown cocktail dresses women's clothes homecoming dresses long sleeve dress party dresses casual dresses floral dresses ladies dress white maxi dress black dress reed dress little black dress shirt dress for women women's dresses spring dresses girls dresses long evening dresses formal gowns women dresses online occasion dresses white dresses for women lace dress